Viewers, the latest news about Amhara and Tigray region is that many Tigray sources are now claiming that Dibarak is now under the control of Tigray Defense Force after heavy fighting with Amhara forces and its allies. While in the last several videos I have informed you that Adi Arke is controlled by Tigray Defense Force, and many pictures about it were also shared by Tigray Defense Force, which clearly shows that Adi Arke is under the control of Tigray Defense Force. And since then we have been receiving reports from many reliable sources that there is a furious battle going on in Zarima. Zarima is located between Adi Arke and Dibarak, and I have informed you about this in several videos. And for the last 2 days or so, heavy fighting between the Tigray Defense Force and Amhara forces, its allies, has been going on in and around Zarima. And now, there are reports from several Tigray sources that the Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Dibarak and Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Dibarak. But more information is being sought. And so far, no photos or videos have been shared by Tigray Defense Force and Tigray sources about this claim. We are getting more information about it and you will be notified. Because at a time, many Tigray sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in Dibarak after defeating Amhara forces and their allies in Zarima, and Dibarak has gained control by Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, if this information proves to be true, for which our team is investigation further, then the next target of Tigray Defense Force will be Gondar. Because Gondar is an important key place in the Amhara region, and the movement of the Tigray Defense Force suggests that they will now move towards Gondar. But so far, the latest news is that many Tigray sources are now claiming that Dibarak is now under the control of Tigray Defense Force after heavy fighting with Amhara forces and their allies. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.